Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can add in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy data where we've got two sellers and the different weeks in which they managed to sell some products. And then what I've got here is the total column, and I'm simply just going to add the two values for week one of what's been sold. So what I'm going to do is do equals and then select B2. Then simply do the plus sign and then select C2. And it's easy as that. I've now got the total amount of products in which were sold in week one. And now in order to also get week two, rather than redoing the formula, I'm simply just going to drag down, and then we can see in week two 197 products were sold by the two sellers. So yeah, very useful and easy to do in Excel, do an addition. And something I'd highly recommend if needed for your particular task. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.